In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Alibaba to efficiently access your orders and download your invoices. Whether you're a business owner or just someone making a one-time purchase, understanding how to efficiently manage your orders on this platform can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Alibaba's official website. Alibaba is a massive global marketplace that's home to countless suppliers and millions of products. It's a treasure trove of goods, but can be a bit overwhelming if you're not used to navigating such a vast platform. As you land on their homepage, you'll notice an abundance of categories and eye-catching deals. However, our focus today is on accessing your personal orders. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Orders section. Typically, you may need to be logged into your account to access this area. This step might seem trivial, but it's essential because it grants you access to all the transactions and interactions you've had on the platform. Once inside, you're in the hub of all your purchase activities. Here, you will see a list of all your current and past orders. It's quite handy if you're the kind of shopper who likes to keep track of what you've bought over time, or if you're managing inventory for a business. Now let's talk about accessing those invoices. After locating your orders, you'll likely see an option to download your invoice. This option is crucial for anyone who needs to manage their finances responsibly, be it for personal record keeping or business accounting. Downloading invoices allows you to have a structured record of your purchases, which can be particularly useful during tax season or when assessing your budget. Finally, once you have your orders and invoices sorted as needed, you're basically done. It's really that simple. The process might initially seem a bit daunting, especially if you're unfamiliar with the website's interface, but once you get the hang of it, managing orders on Alibaba becomes a breeze. Remember that staying organized with your online purchases can save you time in the long run, and maintaining a digital or physical file of your invoices is a good practice to adopt. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently keep tabs on your Alibaba orders and maintain your invoice records. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on navigating the e-commerce world with confidence. Thanks for watching and see you next time.